Awesome storage solution for your power tools. Excellent craftsmanship and very functional design. This power tool charging station and organizer is a must for anyone trying to tidy up their workshop. This common-sense storage solution holds 5 cordless drills or other battery-operated tools and can store a power strip. Please note that all power drills, tools, power strip tools are not included. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Updated power tool stands with more space. Widened room on the top layer for more tools. Allows to mounting 2 power strips on the top. Special design with groove for tidying up power cables. Extra 2 more cabinets for different kinds of power tools. Number 2. All-in-one tool stands. Design with 23.9 inches length by 8.9 inches width. 83.5 inches length by 22.5 inches width. Inclined plane for placing screwdrivers, skill saws, reciprocating saws, flashlights, or other battery-operated tools. Drill hanging slots in the lower cabinet 18.3 inches length by 9.4 inches width. 46.5 inches length by 24 inches width allows containing more than 5 drills. 2 storage organizers, 13.8 inches length by 4.3 inches height. 35 inches. Length by 11 inches height. 13.8 inches length by 7 inches height. 35 inches length by 18 inches height. On the right side for impact wrench, circular saw, reciprocating saw, tool case, and others. Number 3. Heavy-duty wooden garage tool storage shelves with excellent craftsmanship made of heavy solid wood. Stable and fixed, moisture-proof, anti-erosion, practical, sturdy, fashion, and beautiful. The surface of each board is polished and painted. Smooth and without pungent odor. Dimensions of the cabinet. 33.9 by 9.8 by 17.7 inches. Number 4. Easy to assemble with all the assembly equipment come with instructions. Components and parts install around 20 minutes. The surface of each board is polished and painted. Smooth and without pungent odor. The edges and corners of each board are polished and will not scratch your fingers. Number 5. XC-Source Tool Storage Rack has a variety of practical features and is the best helper for your finishing tools. The power tool charging station and organizer are a must for anyone trying to tidy up their workshop. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.